Welcome back, YouTube. It's a great day to be different. It's a great day. So that's what we're gonna do today, man. We're gonna show you guys how to be different. We got a high taper. Yes, sir. We're gonna get right into it. The first thing you wanna do, brush, comb, lay everything down, whatever you gotta do. And my man's obviously has lighter spots in his head, so what we are going for is a more even look. We're trying to make this look as even as possible. We want the darker spots to match with the lighter spots and vice versa, the lighter spots to match with the darker spots. So we're gonna give him an even coat with the one all the way open, as you see right there represented on the right side. One guard all the way open against the grain. This is gonna give this that smooth, even look, and it's gonna take away from the lighter spots to make it look like my boy got a full head of hair. Yes, sir. Sometimes you gotta go over it a couple times. New barbers starting off, you guys know an even look is not as easy as these barbers make it. Creating that all even look is not easy. That's the first step that I did when I started school as an even cut, and man, I couldn't get those things to look even to save my life. I know a lot of barbers now that are getting paid $30, $40, $50 to get in there and still can't give an even solid look. So don't sleep on this even look. Don't sleep on it. But we're gonna go straight into the fade process. First step, bald line. Next step, no guard all the way open. We're gonna go up about 1 inch. As you see right there. Then we're gonna go straight into the detail process. Half guard, second notch. We are detailing using nothing but your corners. We are feathering everything else out. We are attacking the dark spots. Remember, we use the one guard all the way open against the grain. So you start close with the half guard, middle, all the way open, and you can see right now I'm all the way open. So that one guard against the grain, half guard plus the no guard all the way open is another half. So half and half, simple math, equals a 1. We're not gonna overcomplicate this. No guard all the way open is a half, right? Plus the half guard is another half, right? Half and half, do the math, equals 1. So we are going up detailing. After we take off that half guard, we're gonna switch down to the no guard. Starting close, knock out that bald line. We're going middle to open. The higher you go up, the more you want to open your lever, and we are detailing, attacking nothing but the dark spots. Simple lever work. Your lever work matters, and especially with haircuts like this. To get that nice, smooth, beautiful blend with not a lot to work with, it's not easy. It's not easy at all. But this is the longest process in all my haircuts, is the no guard spot, because this is where I detail the most. As you can see, I'm going into the one guard all the way open where I started with a no guard all the way open. So basically 1.5. I can go all the way up to a 1.5 just using the feather technique. As you can see right here, just using your corners, over exaggerating the clipper. Yes, I'm turning it all the way to the side. And every hit matters. It may not look like it's doing too much, but you can see it's blending. And I know that it's blending because my clippers are giving me feedback. They are crunching, they are biting, they are eating. It is lunchtime. We are working. It's important to have some clippers that feed back, man. You can hear it. You guys can't hear it, but when I'm cutting, I can hear it. These JRLs crunch very well. So I know that I'm hitting something. And over time, it blends. So we're gonna move on. Fade is done. We're prepping for the edge up. Throw some hairspray on it. Follow up with a blow dryer to get it to freeze. That way, whenever we're ready to attack at the end of the haircut, at the end of the fade, it's gonna be ready to go. Here goes the back taper. The exact same steps. Bald line, no guard all the way open. Then we're gonna start attacking with the half guard, as you can see right there. But it's the same thing. It's sped up. I'm gonna let you guys have it. I'll be back for the edge up. All right, you guys can see back is done, both sides are done. What you do to one side, you do to the other. It's the same thing. We're gonna start detailing this goatee right here. We're gonna try to keep it as full as possible. We're gonna hit it with some pencil for some contour, make it pop a little bit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This angle is crazy. This angle is crazy. You guys know how much I like this angle, man. It really, really shows off the blend. It really, really shows off the edge up. Makes it pop. And with some hot sauce to disinfect. And you guys remember what it came in looking like. You guys remember. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the edge up. But you guys know, it came to be different. It came to be different. Yes, sir. That boy look different. Look, he happy. Eee! There's only two things that make a man smile like that. Y'all know that's either good coochie or a good haircut. Unfortunately, I only provide one of those things. So appreciate y'all for staying tuned. Like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever you gotta do to keep me on your timeline, man. We out of here. Peace.